Welcome to the mountain, a retreat of simplicity, creative being, and return to our nature. Deep within the heart of the Agrafa Mountains, there lies shady forest, deep gorges, fast-running ravines, and hidden waterfalls. Lake Plastira, one of the largest man-made lakes in Greece, sits within this endless mountain range, recognised by UNESCO as one of the 5 cleanest regions on the planet. Staying at the stunning Montenema handmade village, we will follow the forest, allowing the backdrop of this magical landscape to become our creative inspiration and sense of natural well-being. Here you will find the warmth of wood and stone-built houses, interconnected by cobbled paths where handmade details and intricate works of art are carved into the features of its natural design. Or immerse yourself in the forest experience, staying in the unique konaki where mists roll down the mountain and the fire burns. Whichever you choose, no detail is spared. All soaps and products are lovingly made from mountain herbs. This is rustic luxury at its finest. A real place of peace and tranquility, where nature, art, a twist for tradition, and an ecological conscience come together to create a truly handmade village of hospitality. Agrafa means undiscovered, so alongside the opportunity for movement and meditation, there will be daily activities that offer the freedom to discover, explore, and uncover your natural creativity. You may wish to write, paint a picture, create nature-inspired artwork, bathe in crystal clear rivers and waterfalls, or walk the forest paths, crossing ancient bridges and old chapels found amongst the firs and wildflowers, allowing the senses to enliven through the aroma of healing herbs and plants along the way. We will forage, wild cook, and eat together, sharing in the delights of traditional Greek cuisine, with all produce sourced from the mountain and local regions, cooked by local women who transfer their wisdom and secret old recipes in the traditional handmade way of the 3 wood-fired ovens. And in the evening, we come together to share, to laugh, to dream, and remember the sacredness of all things. The door is open for you to step through, to slow down and embrace a sense of balance, to become one with the forest, expand our horizons, and allow nature to silence with its simplicity. Are you ready to follow the forest and immerse yourself in natural beauty? If so, we look forward to welcoming you.